Have you ever applied for business funding and been denied even though your business is making money? Today, I'm going to share how to apply for a merchant cash advance, also known as an MCA, and increase your chances of approval. A merchant cash advance is a type of business funding based primarily on your revenue and cash flow rather than your credit score. This makes it a popular option for startups and small businesses that may not qualify for traditional bank loans. Before applying, gather your documents. Most lenders will ask for your last 3 to 6 months of business bank statements, a valid government-issued ID, and basic business information. Next, review your bank statements. Lenders are looking for consistent deposits, healthy cash flow, and responsible account management. Frequent overdrafts, negative balances, or multiple return payments can raise red flags. Another mistake many business owners make is applying with several lenders at the same time. This can make your business appear desperate for funding and may hurt your approval chances. You should also know exactly how much funding you need and what you plan to use it for. Whether it's inventory, payroll, equipment, marketing, or expansion, having a clear purpose shows that you're approaching funding strategically. Remember, the goal isn't just getting approved. The goal is getting approved for the right funding solution that helps your business grow without creating unnecessary financial stress. If you're considering business funding and want to know what lenders are really looking for before you apply, subscribe to this channel and follow for more funding tips, business credit strategies, and small business resources. I'm Dennis Thompson, and I'll see you in the next video.